is requesting activation of the emergency Amber Alert system for a confirmed abducted child. Please be on the lookout for a silver 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix Idaho license 1A923EH. The victim is Elena Dewey, a white female, 4 years of age. She is 3 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 45 pounds with brown hair and hazel eyes. She was seen wearing a rainbow shirt, blue jeans, and gray boots. The suspect is Elizabeth Crofts and she is 41 years of age. She is a white female and is 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighing approximately 185 pounds with blonde hair and hazel eyes. Date of incident is November 16, 2021 at 3:33 p.m. at 1519 Malta Avenue in Burley, Idaho. Last known location is Jackpot, Nevada to Quartzsite, Arizona.